Welcome back to the channel, and of course if you're new, this is Kicks and Fits. And as you can tell from the title, we've got something a bit different. We got some drip. Now, I made a purchase about yesterday or 2 days ago, and surprisingly it got here next day, and I didn't even order next day delivery. So I thought before I head out, why not actually make a video, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you might be in the same boat, looking for some jewelry. You might be a student, you might be on a budget, and you're not trying to pay hundreds and thousands to look like Migos. So the website actually is Cernucci. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I think it's an Italian word, but they've just changed a few letters to make it their own brand. But let me just say this right now, this is not a paid review. This is not going to be biased. It's going to be an honest review, and then from there you can decide whether you want to go and get some big drip. It's just that it. I went on the website and decided to order it's a new product they actually have. It's a compass pendant, and it comes with a rope, of course. So when you order it, it will come with the rope. I've already put it together because I liked it a lot. It will come with this rope. Now this rope is just, I think 5 wires just twirled into one big rope, and then of course you get the amazing looking pendant. The pendant, listen, when I tell you this is an honest review, I'm being honest. I'm hoping we can do something here soon, because for the price, I ordered this for what, £40? Came on time. You're given a card, will give you a lifetime guarantee, so if anything happens to it, you're getting your money back. Not even you getting the money back, they'll fix it. Just know that. The packaging, it comes in a leather bag. The boxing, there's something you're not telling us. There has to be something you're not telling us, because listen, of course these are not real diamonds, but just look at it. I'm telling you now, if you're to go into any party, the diamonds will be hitting. I think there's CZ diamonds, but they've done something to this where if the light hits it, it might blind a few people. So wear some sunglasses, because oh my goodness. Now I tried it on as soon as it came, and it was lovely. I decided to go with the 18-inch, I think it is, rope. So it's like the smallest one on there. So it's a bit more upper. I don't want it dangling and looking like T-Pain. But yeah, there's a 24-inch for all of you that actually want something a bit more longer. And they also have 2 more different ones. This is the white gold. They've got a regular gold, and of course a rose gold. Yeah, the website has all different types of jewelry, from rings to bangles to even more pendants, and I'm pretty sure earrings. Yeah man, check them out. You will not be disappointed, that's all I can tell you. Definitely going to be ordering a few more pieces from them. That's why, like I said, I hope if you're listening to Cernucci, hey, hit me up with that discount. Just wanted to make this a quick review for you lot, especially those that just want to make a quick choice on some good jewelry out there, and they're not really trying to spend that much. Don't have to be spending hundreds, thousands just to be looking nice. Like, save your money on some more important things, but still look good. That's all I can say. So I hope this video was informative and helped you. If it did, definitely drop a like, comment if you have any questions at all. I'm always there. And subscribe, of course. We was on 500 last video, over 600 in this video now. 1K, we're coming for you. We'll come for you very soon. Don't sleep. But without further ado, this is Kicks and Fits, and I'm out.